Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a clear pipeline to show you where a lead becomes a customer in the Facebook ads platform. So when you're running any leads generation ads, I'm going to show you how you can pretty much organize your leads in the journey in the pipeline a lot more easier, and it's going to make things a lot more clearer for you for your business. So guys, as usual, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a way for you to clearly see the journey from when someone becomes a lead to when they actually convert and actually buy from your business and actually become an actual customer. A lot of businesses make this mistake. They run lead ads on Facebook or Instagram or wherever. They capture a bunch of leads, but have no idea which one of those leads actually are good quality, which one of them are bad quality, and some of them don't even know which particular leads actually convert. They just know that, hey, I'm just getting sales. But it's really important to understand the pipeline, understand the customer journey. And I'm going to show you how you can clearly see the journey that your leads are taking before they actually convert. And that's really going to help you in terms of making sure that you keep a close eye on the type of people that are coming into your business. And also, it's going to help you prevent you losing money in your business. Because sometimes when a lead comes through, not all leads are going to spend money with you immediately. Sometimes they need a little bit of nurturing. You need to qualify them and all that before they're ready to actually buy from you. So I'm going to show you how you can see this. So all you got to do is click on the left-hand side and you click on all tools right here. Now, once you click on all tools, you then go down and you're going to see lead center right here. You're going to see lead center right here. Now, with the lead center, right, you just click here. And as you can see, we're now in the lead center. And straight away, you can see intake, qualified, converted. It's literally stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. And what will happen is that when you're running lead ads on Facebook, on Instagram, your leads are going to appear here. So this is the first stage, the intake stage. Your leads are going to appear here. But then some of those leads are going to go to qualified. This is where you're obviously going to qualify them, maybe ask them some questions, maybe contact them, communicate with them to see if they are ready to actually buy from you. So can you see it's an actual first stage, second stage, third stage. But a lot of business owners don't even break it down like this. So what happens is that a lead will come in, then they'll be qualified, but they won't know when that lead was qualified. And then even when they are qualified, sometimes the lead may even stay in this section here. They may not even go to the converted, purely because they just had a couple of questions that they needed answering and the business just wasn't available to answer those questions. Maybe there was a few concerns that they had and the business just wasn't available to address those concerns. So what happens? They lose the lead. So that means that they lose a potential customer. The thing about lead generation, and a lot of you who are running lead generation campaigns obviously are selling high ticket items. You're selling expensive items. Now, the more expensive the service is, the customer has to think a lot more before they actually buy from you. If you're selling them a $10,000 product, very few are going to be off straight away, going to say, $10,000. All right, let's do it today. No, they're going to ask you some questions. They're going to qualify you as a business to see if you're capable of providing that service successfully. You as a business may qualify them to see if they're even good of a customer, to see if they can even afford your products or services. That takes time, but you need to know what stage that particular lead is in, because each stage requires a different communication to communicate with that particular customer. For example, you've got people that will come in the intake stage. They've just signed up, they don't know about your business. Here, you want to introduce yourself. You want to, let them know about what you offer, what your offering is, and all that good stuff. What types of jobs do you do, etc., etc. Now, the people that are convinced will be qualified, but then they may need to ask some further questions. They may need a little bit more information. So they already know who you are, but they just need a little bit more before they go to the next stage, right? Which is the converted stage. This is basically where they now have bought from you. They have now become an actual customer, right? The good thing about is that it will clearly show you their information here, right? It'll clearly show you all that information. Now, another thing as well to also remember is that if you've captured leads from the past, like from ages ago, you can literally go here, go to add leads at the top right here. So the top right-hand corner, you click here, add leads, and then you click upload leads. So you can actually upload past leads into here, and they'll appear here, and you'll be able to see where they are in the pipeline, in the journey. Because at the end of the day, you're trying to get someone from becoming a lead to a customer. But to get to that point is a little bit of a journey. It's a little bit of a journey. And it's usually a journey of trust and a journey of confidence that you can actually do what you say you do. And that's what this is for. So a lot of businesses don't do this and just guess and just say, oh yeah, we ran some leads and then we got 500 leads, and then out of those 500 leads, we got a few customers. But it's like, it's not clear to see, oh, at what point in that journey could we have optimized or improved to get even more customers? But they wouldn't know that because they're not aware of this journey that the customer is going through, that the lead is going through. Another thing as well that's really great about this tool, and I would highly suggest for those of you who are doing lead generation, any lead, you're trying to get new customers for your services, if you're selling high ticket products, services, and you're running lead campaigns, use this tool. But another thing I love about this tool is the conversion rate. They show you the conversion rate. The amount of leads that are coming in as opposed to them that are going to come in order to be converted, Facebook actually will show you a conversion rate. So you can know clearly how many more leads you need to get. So say if you have some key performance indicators, say if you need to hit some certain goals, certain revenue goals in your business, you can clearly do the maths and say, oh, we were able to make this amount by capturing 1,000 leads, but we want to make even more. So that means we need to capture 5,000 leads. But you wouldn't know that without the conversion rate. That's what gives your business a bit more predictability. So you're not guessing. So at least with this conversion rate, you know, okay, the leads that are coming in, how many of them are actually converting? And it gives a great indicator to the quality of leads that are coming in. Like I mentioned before, you can add leads, you can upload leads here. But one thing to bear in mind is that make sure you check the quality of those leads, so you have a higher chance of converting a lot more of them, so they can actually become customers of yours. So guys, use this tool. It's very, very powerful and will give you a lot more of a direction in your business and make things a lot clearer in terms of the journey that the customer is going through in order to become an actual customer, a paying customer of your business, right? This is super technical stuff, but if you do this, it's really going to help you. And you're not gonna, it's going to reduce the amount of times you lose customers. Another point I wanted to mention is that sometimes you have the people who are qualified in here, but they just needed a couple questions to be answered, and then the business owner just ignores them, and then they just disappear. You never hear from them again, right? And what does that mean? That means you lose revenue, you lose potential customers just by not knowing what stage your lead is in that pipeline. So guys, make sure that you do this. This is going to help you make a lot of money in your business, especially for those of you who are generating leads for your business. For those of you who need further help on your Facebook ads, your Instagram ads, and all that good stuff, click the link in the description. You can book me for one-to-one. So if you're running any Facebook ads and need further help and you're not sure in how to improve your results, just click the link in the description, book a one-to-one with me, and I'll be more than happy to look at your campaigns and make suggestions to help you get more results. You can check out all my reviews. I've worked with so many businesses, large businesses, small businesses, all different in different niches, and I've been able to help them get great results. So guys, if you need any further help with your Facebook ads, your Instagram ads, or if you need me to run your campaigns for you or anything like that, just click the link in the description and I'll be more than happy to help. As usual, I'll be back with another video to help you with your marketing and help you with your business. Take care, guys.